With Sam the Plumber, we were called out by Chris Plumber at Texas Master Plumber. I nominate Vicki Lynn, Mike Wheeler, and Sherry Bosworth.
CJ Murphy, I nominate Noah and all his employees with All About Plumbing.
I'm Chris Miller. I nominate Moore Plumbing Supply in League City, Brent, and all his employees.
I'm Danny Kent. I nominate Steve Denny, Kelly Caudill, and the rest of the Alliance Plumbing crew.
I'm Randy Easter. I nominate Chris and crew at the Plumber.
I'm Stevie Russell. I nominate Dynamic Builders, Franklin Ivy, and Terry Collins.
Josh Redding. I nominate ARS Houston, South Division, Chuck Teeters, and all his employees.
Get it! 1, 2, 3, go! Oh my God! Mira, tu mamá te sale el hielo, mira.
Good job, guys.